Hello, so in this video, I will show you how to use our facility management software to use QR code to record maintenance. So one of the challenges when doing maintenance is that you have to log your maintenance record, and oftentimes we would see customer or contractors or vendors write down on a piece of paper when they perform a service, and then they take that piece of paper back to the office to enter into some software or spreadsheet. And what happens is, number one, lots of time the papers get lost along the way. And then number two, when you enter data, there's a lot of possibility of typing the wrong data. And then number three, it's just time consuming, right? So nobody wants to do a lot of data entry. And so what happened is you don't have a good log of your services, right? And so using QR code, we can automate that process. So here I'm showing a map of a school. Let's look at the satellite view here. And it's loading. Okay, let me see. There it is. So this is a school, and that's a satellite view. And we can see the ground floor. There's a lot of portables with air conditioning units here. I'm going to switch to map view, and let's zoom in a little bit. And we'll click on one of these. Let's choose this unit. And we can see this is a wall mount unit, air conditioning unit. Over here we have information about that unit, manufacturer, model name, serial number, and so on and so on. And one of the things to look for is we would put a QR code on the machine. And for outdoor, this is a metal tag. It's laser printed. It will last 20 years, right? And so when the service is performed, you can simply scan this QR code using your phone camera, and then we automatically log the date and time to give you a history when the service was done. In this case, the filter that was used to replace, and how many units. And then you can then export this out as a log for record keeping or for accountability, right? So super easy, scan it, submit, done. No paper, no Excel spreadsheet, no data entries, right? And then there's also accountability. Okay, I will see you in the next video.